All of us know that there are many customs associated with all the festivals that are celebrated in the Hindu religion. But most of us do not know the purpose behind these customs. The purpose behind these customs are mentioned in our scriptures. For example, on the first day of Navratri, many people place a kalash in their homes and they sow barley in an earthen vessel. But most of us do not know why barley is only sown in Navratri. If you too do not know the reason behind this, then watch this video till the end, because in this video we will tell you the reason behind sowing only barley in Navratri. Hello and welcome to the Divine Tales. The belief behind sowing barley in Navratri is that barley was the first crop in the beginning of creation, and that is why barley has been recognized as a full crop in Hindu scriptures. It is believed that the tradition of sowing barley is associated with the goddess Shakambhari, and a story related to it is described in Durga Saptashti. According to the legends mentioned in the 11th chapter of Durga Saptashti, Shakambhari Devi was pleased with the prayers of the gods and goddesses and said, "When the rains will stop on the earth for a period of 100 years, after that, when there would be scarcity of water, at that time, monks would pray, and I would then appear on earth and will see the monks with my 100 eyes. Therefore, humans will pray me in the name of Shatakshi. At that time, I will feed the whole world through the shakas generated from my body. And till it rains again, these shakas will protect everyone's life. Because of this, my name will be known on earth as Shakambhari. And it is believed that the herb produced from the body of the goddess was barley, and therefore any auspicious work in Hinduism is considered incomplete without barley. In fact, there are many other beliefs related to the barley that is sown in Navratri. Barley is a grain, and grain is considered as a form of Brahma in Hinduism, and it is stated in the texts that the person should always respect the grain, and the person who insults the food will suffer in this life and even in afterlife. In fact, the importance of sowing barley in Navratri is not just because of this story, but there are also other beliefs related to it. Apart from this, it is believed that how much barley grows in 9 days of Navratri also indicates your future. The rapid growth of barley has been considered as a sign of happiness and prosperity in the home. If barley does not grow densely or does not grow properly, it is considered inauspicious for that household. It is considered auspicious if barley is also of white color and directly grown, while if barley grows black, it is considered inauspicious. Also, if the color of the barley plant is yellow from the bottom and green from the top, then it is believed that the beginning of the year would be bad, and if the color of the barley is green from the bottom and yellow from the top, that is the reverse, the beginning of the year would be good. If barley grows dense and green, then the whole year is a sign of good times. And this is the reason why special care is taken of barley in Navratri. So, next time if someone you know who sows barley in house and doesn't know the meaning behind it, then do let them know about the story. Hope this Navratri brings happiness and prosperity in your house. Wish you all a very happy Navratri. If you liked our today's video, then do give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends and families. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, The Divine Tales English, for more such videos. We will soon be back with another video. Until then, take care and be happy.